that is the example of a do-while structure. Okay, so we have another one. Okay, so for example, okay, let's delete. Okay, delete. Okay, so for example, car choice. Car choice, then see in. Okay, okay, sum plus equal to num, then see out. Okay, see out, enter. Enter Q to quit. Okay, then next see in. So that will be our choice. Then while choice is not equal to Q. Okay, let's try. Okay, so CTR was not declared, so let's delete. Or maybe we have to include. Instead, include CTR. Okay, CTR is equal to 1, then CTR plus equal plus plus. Okay, then save, execute, compile and run. Okay, enter input number 1, for example 3. So enter Q to quit. No. Okay, next 3 again. Another character, another character, another character, for example 7. Another character, for example 9. Then for example we have to enter Q to quit. Q. Okay, so the value is 31. Okay, next, what if we will input small letter q, example 8, then small letter q. So take note, it will continue. Okay, so big letter q, so quit, because in our statement choice is not equal to q, or let's include or choice is q is not also equal to q. Okay, so execute, then compile and run. Okay, for example, let's say 8, another character, so 5, example R, then input 3. Okay, input number 3, for example 4, then small letter q, still Control C, so it's not working, so let's add save, execute, compile and run. 5, 7, then small q, still q. Control C, okay, let's debug the program. Enter choice, while choice let's say end. Equal to q. Let's try 11. Okay, input number 1, for example 5, enter q. To quit, for example small letter q, so the value is 5. Okay, so that's it.